So all set for a New Year resolution. Ever thought why do we need a New Year resolution? Why do you make New Year resolutions when your last New Year resolution failed? When the last few years of the New Year resolutions that you made all failed? Why do you need one more New Year resolution to once again fail? And have you ever thought why these New Year resolutions keep failing? Yes, you know that, right? Because you had your own reasons. Maybe because there was a marriage, or maybe because you fell ill, or maybe because something happened. Something happened for which you had to postpone it first for a day, then for a week, then maybe for a few weeks, and then maybe for a month, and then for a few months, and the entire year passed. And you failed because maybe you had your own reasons, because maybe you had your own excuses. And you know why you had those reasons, or why you had those excuses, or why exactly were you not able to keep up with your New Year resolution? Because you were looking for them. If you are looking for reasons, if you are looking for excuses, you will find them. If you look for reasons to do something, you will find the reasons to do that. If you are looking for the reasons to not do something, you will find the reasons to not do that. So you must have been looking for the reasons to not be successful. You must have been, finding excuses to not do the same. Another new year, another set of new resolutions, and another year of failure. Another year when you are not able to keep up with your New Year resolution. So, the kind of stories that we say to ourselves when we talk about these New Year resolutions. So, I plan to start on this Monday. Something happened and I postponed it to a Tuesday. And then something happened, and then I said that, man, I screwed up my week, so let's do it from the next week. And then something again happens, and then I say, okay, the first week went wrong, the second week went wrong, so let's start with a new month. And then the entire year passes on. So what you need to change is, you need to start doing. Instead of talking about doing, instead of, that is how successful people do. They don't talk about doing something, but they actually do. They take actions. Yeah, they also fail. They also are not successful the first time they do. But they do, and then do it again, and then they keep doing it until they get successful with it. And they don't stop when they get successful. They keep doing it. The cycle keeps moving. Because being successful, or getting success, or getting what you want is not a one-day affair or a one resolution thing, but it is about the habit that you build. The habit of winning. The habit of winning every single moment of your life, the habit of winning every single day of your life, the habit of making every single year a successful year. It is all about the habit. If you have the habit of making excuses or having reasons, you have that habit. If you have the habit of winning, you have that habit. That is all about the habit. That is all about how you make the very next moment win. How you win when you wake up. How you win when you are eating, how healthy you eat, how you work out every single day, how you are reading a book every single day, how you are doing something that makes you win. Whatever you planned, whatever you thought, if you are making sure that you are doing that, you have changed it for yourself. And if you really want your New Year resolutions to work, you need to not have a year-long resolution. You don't have to even think of the entire year. You have to start living in the moment. You have to make this moment, you have to win in this very moment. Moment after moment, moment after moment, days after days, weeks after weeks, months after months will make you an entire year successful. But if you only think about the entire year, nothing is gonna work. Nothing is gonna work. So if you are thinking of resolutions, well, let's make one. It's okay to make a resolution, but make sure of not finding reasons or excuses of why you were not able to do something or why you were not able to achieve something. Find reasons, find ways, stop talking about it, start taking action, start being successful, and make a wonderful 2022. Wish you all the very best for living the year of your dreams. Yes, I'm with you. See you in the next.